You don't hear about the movie title Hate to Love You. If you never watch this movie, you dey miss out. I go tell you why this movie not be one to just pass by. The story, the acting and everything. Guys, this movie dey so interesting. Sonia Uche Dossy drop another beautiful movie. A movie wey we no go like to miss out because this movie dey so interesting, e dey so educative. You wey be say you be mother, you don born pikin for a very long time, pikin wey be say you born when you dey young, you never see that pikin for years. Na this video is for you because a lot of women today wey we dey see today, many of them don born for one side wey be say dem don even forget sef. Some go give that pikin to their mother, some go leave that pikin for the man wey be say dem born for. They'll look and say okay dem too dey young, they'll just enter outside. If you be one of those people, abeg, this movie is for you, and I will leave the link on our comment section. Make we go see this beautiful movie. But before I go, although I will still give us more about the story, if I will give us more about the story, if you never subscribe to this YouTube channel, then make you not fail to subscribe and also press that notification bell. In case we just upload any new video, you will be the first to be notified. Guys, this movie is so interesting. This movie now all about a young lady, Sonia Uche, wey be say she carry belle, wey be say she dey for 15 years old. As she dey for that 15 years, she carry belle, she come born this pikin. She come look and say okay, she too small, she come leave the pikin for the man wey be say she born this pikin for. She come enter outside. She enter outside now, wetin she come dey do for outside? Na for her to come dey do or dey go here, dey go there, wey be say she take dey survive. A lot of women dey for this category of this very story. A lot of women, we no dey talk say wetin dem do e dey bad, e no dey bad, because 15 years old pikin na pikin, na the person still, na that girl still big. Especially parents wey be say dem go see say the pikin carry belle, dem go pursue that pikin comot for house. This video is for you. If e be say you don first dey for this kind of category before, your pikin carry belle come, the next thing you pursue that pikin comot for house, abeg, you go go watch this movie because a lot of people wey be say we go see today, dem dey for street. Abeg, if you no know person, no judge that person, because many of them na their parents dem, na the mother, the father, na dey cause this whole thing. Your pikin carry belle come, okay, maybe the pikin go quarrel with am say the pikin no cover leg, but instead of you to carry that pikin enter house make you follow am plan, you go pursue am put for outside. If na so your own papa dem, or if your mother sef, your father sef, dey pursue you put for outside, e no mean say you go do that same thing to your own pikin. As you come pursue that pikin put for outside, how you say make that pikin take survive? When you say make that pikin for start, pikin of 15 years, you go pursue am put for outside say the pikin carry belle come o. So if you be that kind of person wey be say you don first do am long time ago, you don pursue your pikin put for outside, abeg, this movie is for you. Na to go watch this movie from the beginning to the end, because this movie dey so interesting and we go learn a lot from this movie. A lot of people dey do this thing, their pikin go carry belle for a very young age, dem go pursue them, and some women still dey wey be say dem go still dey look their pikin say e go be one kind, go dey block their way, dem go run leave that pikin. Abeg, if you be lady, you don first pursue you don first run leave your pikin before, abeg go see this movie because e go make you go find that pikin, make you reunite with that pikin, especially if you still know where that pikin dey o, because a lot of people dem go just born that pikin, carry am go put for anywhere wey be say dem like. For years dem no go think of that pikin again. Now you come see a lot of people now, dem come dey find the pikin later, dem no go see again. Why? Because dem don carry their hand take go dash their own pikin wey be say God take bless them. Because of that, God go vex for that thing, then dem come be like who no get pikin at all before. The next thing, anybody wey be say dem get argument with, dem say na that person na cause am o, wey dem no come born again. But the truth be say na dem na cause this whole thing. The truth be say dem get pikin, but dem no remember again, or dem no know where dem wan for start again, but that thing go just dey chop dem for inside body. So this movie dey so interesting. This movie na young girl, 15 years, wey be say she carry belle, the father, the mother, the portion come for house as the boy will be saying get the belle for now. That one accept and say okay, he accept. She now come run leave the pikin for the guy and the pikin. Now the man now come bring the pikin because a lot of people now because a lot of people they do this thing whether the pikin go accept her back to her life as the mother or how the thing come take end because I no go just tell us how this story just stay end. If I tell you everything, what you want can go enjoy for this movie again. I beg my little advice because my review always now all about advice. I know they talk about, I no go just come tell you, this movie, this movie, that. I they use my movie review, they give advice to people. The little ones will be say, I just, based on experience and based on things wey be say me myself just lis about people wey be say they close to me or people wey just wey dey around me. So na their own wetin dem dey pass through na take dey give advice to people. Abeg if you na woman wey be say you don first born long time ago and you drop that pikin for anywhere, whether na your mother you leave am for, whether na your husband, whether na anywhere and you know where that pikin dey, abeg make you go find that pikin because e dey very very important. Things go dey wey be say dey important for your whole life. That thing no go dey go well because that pikin no dey happy for where he or she dey. Where that pikin dey, dem must dey tell am say yes, so you get mama o. Dem fit no know you again, but that pikin spirit go dey tell am say yes, e get mother or she get mother for somewhere. So abeg, if you don first born for somewhere and you leave that pikin, abeg make you go find that pikin. E dey very very important. This movie sef, e go still give you a lot. E go educate you a lot. I go leave the link on our comment section. Go watch this very beautiful movie. This also interesting and educative. Thank you guys. Watch the video till the end. See you on my next video. I beg if you don't see this movie, make you not forget to come back to our comment section to give us your own feedback. What do you think about this movie, or whether the movie really deserve how I take the give am the credit? Because to me, I give this movie at least 9/10 or even 8/10 or 9/10 because they try. They give one kind good story wey be say a lot of single mom of today they go learn from. You will see some girls today, you no go even know say they don born. The way they will take they live their life, just they do like say nothing happen. So this movie go make a whole lot of single mom wey be say they not even remember say they don't forget pikin before. Go make them remember say yes, they get pikin. Not be all about we just come watch the video, but the thing be say wetin we learn for that video na dey more important. And as we dey learn am, we will still put am to practice. Thank you guys. See you on my next video. And please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and press that notification bell in case we just upload any new video. You will be the first to be notified. And bye guys.